Good day, everyone. Now, part of our this week's lecture is the continuation of our personal protective equipment, but this time we will be focusing on the donning and doffing of our PPE as well as the contaminated and clean parts of our PPE. As defined by OSHA, when we talk about PPE, these are specialized clothing or equipment worn by an employee for protection against infectious materials. As what I have kept on telling or mentioning from time to time, that your personal protective equipment is based on your risk assessment. So healthcare workers shall decide which PPE is most appropriate for the task or situation depending on what the wearer might be exposed to. These are the common types of our medical PPE. First, we have your gloves, your goggles or your face shield, your gown or apron, and we have your mask or your respirator. I will just give you a quick sequence in donning and doffing of our PPE. First is donning of our PPE. So if we are going to don the PPE, start from down going up. Meaning to say you need to start from your gloves. Then we have your mask, your face shield. Then last is we have your gloves. That's how you don your PPE. And how to doff our PPE. In donning, we will start from down going up. In doffing of our PPE, we'll start from up going down except for our face mask or respirator. So remove first your gloves, followed by our face shield. Next is we have your gown. And outside the patient's room, you need to remove your mask or respirator. Now remember, your PPE should be worn outside the patient care area or outside the patient's room. Or if there is an anteroom, then you need to wear it there. If you are going to remove your PPE, remove everything except for your mask or respirator inside the patient's room. You need to remove your mask or respirator outside the patient's room. After my lecture, there will be a video presentation on how to don and doff our PPE, as well as user seal check for our N95 mask, and how to perform fit tests. Remember, guys, that the method that we are applying for fit test is we have your qualitative method, meaning to say the result of the fit test will depend on the one who is being tested, the description of the one who is being tested. But ideally, the better method of fit testing, if two methods are available, if you have your qualitative and quantitative, the recommended one is we have your quantitative type of fit test. So which area of our PPE is considered contaminated and which area are considered clean? The outside or the front part of our PPE is considered as the contaminated areas of our PPE. These are areas of our PPE that have or are likely to have been in contact with body sites, materials, or environmental surfaces where the infectious organisms may reside. While the clean part of our PPE, these are the inside parts of our PPE, the outside back, the ties on head and back, those are the clean parts of our PPE. These are areas that are not likely to have been in contact with the infectious organisms.